Hello again, a new day, a new project, and here we have a Casio CPS-80. I bought this from a car booth, pretty cheap. I don't even know the situation with this guy. All I have to say that I like the keys. These keys are almost like piano weighted ones, but somehow in between the things. Anyway, I love it. I don't even know if it's working. There was no power around there. I couldn't test it. So let's see what's behind the piano. We have a 12 volts input. We have a line out left right, stereo line out, a line in left and right. This is good because we can amplify a CD player or a MP3 player or your phone even. And here said that it's rating 18 watts of DC power. Also we can use 6 batteries. That's this size. What you notice about the power supply, we have a plus on the outside, so be careful with that. It's a plus on the outside. Here we have a tone, it's tuning, yeah, tune of course. Damper pedal, which obviously lost the plug. MIDI in and MIDI out. It's perfect. As long as we have MIDI out, you can do whatever you like. This is the battery compartment for those 6 batteries, and let's start with testing the piano. Here I have a power supply. This 12 volts 1.5 amps, so that means red outside. It's like that, you know. It's really hard to power on. Okay, we have a LED here. It's just blinked for a split of a second and power on. We got LEDs, we got light. Do you think we got sound? Of course, yes. I love it. Great. Great. The touch is pretty okay. No problems yet. And we have a broken key. Okay, that's fixable. Piano 1, piano, electric piano, okay. Okay, this is not a really great sound, you know, because this one was made maybe like 25 years ago, 20 years ago, I'm not sure. Harpsichord. Nice. Okay, pipe organ. Okay, and select what, select what. Okay, we got the lowest section here. Second piano, acoustic piano. Electric piano. With bass. Ah, okay. Okay, that's a piano with, and here we have a bass. Nice. Okay, what else? Strings and piano. But where is the piano? I can hear all the strings. Okay. Nice. Memory, song, record, demo, reset, and select something. Oh, we don't care about that. Okay, transpose. Let me have a piano. Working. You know, this kind of transpose is really interesting. I never saw it this way, you know. It's very easy to... You have it here at your hand, it's very easy to adjust that. Very nice. Alright, the volume, it's missing. Do we have a potentiometer there, or it's just the head? Huh? Oh yeah, it's broke. Yeah, we have a potentiometer, but it's broke. Okay, that can be fixed. And of course, all the scratches. Fixable, absolutely. Something else about the keys. This needs to be dumped. I don't know where, here or here, because they are playing pretty nasty. But even these ones are doing the same sound, and I'm pretty sure these are not played too much. Let's dismantle this guy and let's see what's inside there, okay? Here we have the headphones output, and here the plastic, it's broke. But we'll fix that with some stitches and some super glue or something. Yeah, it can be. Or hot glue eventually behind there. Clean it a bit. I didn't test the headphones. Alright. The back, it's bare metal, and I think these two guys are for the stand. I see that we should have some rubber fits. Okay, let's take the screws out. Keyboard. Okay, so the keys are like this, and that's the case probably. Yeah, this one has been dismantled so many times probably. That's a G or a 6. What that means, I don't know. Yeah, we are in the middle of the town. It's a lot of noise around, but at least it's summer and it's beautiful. 25 degrees today. Amazing. We jumped in 2 weeks from winter clothes to pure summer. That's nuts. That one is broke. There we go. So how is this thing working? Okay, let's get this out. Man, it's heavy. Oh, metal. Are you crazy? What's this? Oh, it should be some... Okay, it has been worked before, but it's nice. We can take out... Is this any connector or bare wires? I think it's just wire, so that sucks. Anyway, we have to open this and to check the last key there. Yeah, I can see how the thing is working here. We have a rubber. This is keeping the return key. Oh, this is sticky now. It's very old. Let's see if we put... Yeah, that's the way how I'm gonna dump it. I'm gonna put some extra here. Where are you? All right, that's my new friend there, Whitey. This is Whitey. Hey, busy, Whitey. How are you? Come to Papa. He's very young and he just came along from the, I don't know from where, from the neighborhood maybe. Where are you, my dear? Show yourself to the camera. Come on, come on. You little boy, come on, you little baby, come on. Okay, he's still wild, but he will behave. Now we are feeding him, and probably soon. Well, I think the loudspeakers have been changed with some car speakers, but they're not bad. Anyway, I have to fix the volume, and that missing damper plug. Okay, so here we have the board. I think I'm gonna take everything out from the main case, let's call it, and then I'll take, of course, a really nice cleaning the other side of the board, of course. Now let's have the loudspeakers. Like I said, these are not the original, but they are looking good. It's funny. This is plastic, look there. Doesn't bother. Okay, connections, these are going out. Oh yeah. Okay, so here we have the the potentiometer. Oh my god, straight on the board. I never saw anything like that before. Okay, here are the switches. I need to take this out. Plastic, fantastic. Nice loudspeakers. Well, good. That's the electronic. And now let's dismantle the keyboard. Okay, then I have to fix something, to do something about this. Probably hot glue. Oh, it's heavy. Wow, this is really heavy. Oh yeah, it's really heavy. You see, we have some metal parts in here glued to the keys for having this effect, this pushing effect, you know, this piano weighted keys effect, I may call it. Okay, you can see it's pretty dirty, it's dusty, so I'm gonna water jet it, you know, pressure, and clean it really nice. Then it will look like brand new. Okay, this goes apart for now. I need a new rubber, something under, to stop the keys doing this noise at returning. Yes, I got a picture now. So this goes like that, and then just coming out, down, and in the front. There we go. That's the metal thing I told you. So I just wonder if it's really necessary to take out all the keys. Yeah, maybe I will. It's not so hard. Okay, so that's the first part. More to come after fixing the electronic and everything related there. Then we'll start with the keyboard, cleaning the case, and yeah, I'll keep you with the situation. All right, thanks for now. Please like, subscribe, and like always, be creative and have fun. Bye bye.